Are you tired of struggling with bulky luggage, tangled cords, and endless travel hassles? Imagine having a set of gadgets that simplify every step of your journey. In this video, we're revealing 20 smart travel gadgets on Amazon that make life easier, from clever organizers to tech tools you never knew you needed. Stay tuned, because these must-have finds will completely change the way you travel. Number 1. Packing Cubes Set. A packing cube set keeps your luggage organized, maximizing space while separating clothes, accessories, and toiletries. Lightweight yet durable, each cube compresses items for more efficient packing, making it easy to find exactly what you need without unpacking your entire suitcase. Ideal for frequent travelers or family trips, these cubes reduce clutter, prevent wrinkles, and simplify airport security checks. Transform chaotic packing into a streamlined process with the Packing Cube Set, available on Amazon today. Number 2. Portable Bidet Sprayer. The Portable Bidet Sprayer is a travel-friendly hygiene solution that ensures freshness anywhere. Compact and lightweight, it fits neatly in a toiletry bag, offering easy, hygienic cleaning on the go. Adjustable water pressure and ergonomic design make it convenient for personal use during camping, flights, or hotel stays. Easy to refill and clean, this bidet sprayer is a must-have for travelers who value comfort and cleanliness. Grab the Portable Bidet Sprayer on Amazon for travel convenience. Number 3. Xenvo Lens Kit. The Xenvo Lens Kit transforms smartphone photography with macro and wide-angle lenses for capturing stunning landscapes and detailed close-ups. Portable and lightweight, it clips onto your phone for instant upgrades without bulky cameras. Ideal for travel bloggers, tourists, or casual photographers, it makes capturing memorable moments simple and professional-looking. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and it's easy to carry in any travel bag. Elevate your travel photos with the Xenvo Lens Kit, available on Amazon. Number 4. Portable Air Pump Lantern. The Portable Air Pump Lantern combines lighting and convenience for camping or emergencies. Inflatable or compact designs make it easy to carry, while adjustable brightness provides customizable illumination. Battery-powered or rechargeable options ensure reliable performance wherever you go. Lightweight and durable, it fits neatly in backpacks without taking up space, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or travel. Illuminate any situation efficiently with the Portable Air Pump Lantern, available on Amazon today. Number 5. Portable Charger Power Bank. A portable charger power bank ensures your devices stay charged during travel, camping, or long flights. High-capacity batteries support multiple phone or tablet charges, while compact, lightweight design fits easily in a bag or pocket. Some models include fast charging and multiple ports for simultaneous device use. Perfect for travelers who rely on smartphones, cameras, or tablets, it prevents dead batteries from ruining plans. Stay connected on the go with the Portable Charger Power Bank, available on Amazon. Number 6. AirFly SE Bluetooth Adapter. The AirFly SE Bluetooth Adapter allows wireless audio from any headphone to non-Bluetooth devices, like airplane entertainment systems or gym equipment. Compact and portable, it plugs into headphone jacks, pairing easily with Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. Lightweight design ensures it fits in travel bags or pockets without adding bulk. Perfect for frequent flyers, commuters, or gym goers, it enhances convenience and entertainment on the go. Upgrade your audio experience with the AirFly SE Bluetooth Adapter, available on Amazon. Number 7. Travel Book Guide. A travel book guide offers curated tips, maps, and insider recommendations to make exploring new destinations easier. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for carrying in a backpack or luggage. From sightseeing to local dining, it saves time while enhancing travel experiences. Ideal for first-time visitors or adventure enthusiasts, it provides structured itineraries and helpful insights, ensuring trips are smooth and enjoyable. Make every journey more memorable with a travel book guide, available on Amazon. Number 8. Mixing Bowls Set. A mixing bowls set isn't just for home kitchens. It's perfect for camping, picnics, or travel meal prep. Nesting designs save space, and durable, lightweight materials make them easy to carry. Multi-purpose bowls can mix, serve, or store food, reducing the need for additional containers. Compact, stackable, and easy to clean, they simplify meals on the go. For travelers who cook or prep meals while away, the mixing bowl set is a versatile companion. Check it out on Amazon today. Number 9. Travel Neck Neck Pillow. The Travel Neck Pillow provides ergonomic support for long flights, train rides, or road trips. Memory foam or inflatable designs conform to your neck and shoulders, reducing stiffness and improving comfort. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in carry-ons or backpacks. Ideal for frequent travelers or anyone seeking restful travel, it helps ensure you arrive refreshed. Elevate your travel comfort and minimize neck strain with the Travel Neck Pillow, available on Amazon. Number 10. Clip-on fan. A clip-on fan is a portable solution to beat heat while traveling, camping, or in crowded transportation. Lightweight and adjustable, it clips onto desks, strollers, or luggage, providing customizable airflow wherever you go. Battery-powered or rechargeable options make it convenient for extended trips. Compact design ensures it fits in bags without taking up space. Perfect for travelers, students, or outdoor enthusiasts, this fan keeps you cool and comfortable on the move. Grab the clip-on fan on Amazon. Number 11. Engage 2 Plus earplugs. Engage 2 Plus earplugs provide comfort and noise reduction for travel, sleep, or busy environments. Ergonomically designed, they fit snugly in the ear without causing discomfort during long flights, train rides, or naps. Durable, reusable materials make them eco-friendly and cost-effective compared to disposable plugs. Ideal for blocking unwanted noise while ensuring clarity for announcements or conversations, these earplugs are perfect for travelers seeking rest and focus. Grab Engage 2 Plus earplugs on Amazon today. Number 12. Modular straps. 4-pack. The Modular straps. 4-pack keeps luggage, backpacks, or gear secure while traveling. Adjustable and durable, these straps hold items in place, compress bulky loads, or attach extra bags effortlessly. Lightweight and easy to store, they fit in carry-ons without taking space. Perfect for adventure trips, road trips, or daily commuting, modular straps prevent items from shifting and protect belongings. Ensure stress-free packing and secure transport with the Modular Straps 4-pack, available on Amazon. Number 13. Compact Can Opener. The Compact Can Opener is a small, travel-friendly tool that makes opening canned foods quick and safe. Its ergonomic design fits easily in bags or kitchen drawers without taking up space. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for camping, RV trips, or hostel stays where standard kitchen appliances are unavailable. Easy to use and clean, it replaces bulky tools and simplifies meal prep on the go. Check out the Compact Can Opener on Amazon for convenient, space-saving travel cooking. Number 14. Wireless Headband Headphones. Wireless headband headphones combine comfort, sound quality, and portability. Soft, adjustable bands fit snugly while streaming music, audiobooks, or podcasts wirelessly via Bluetooth. Lightweight design eliminates the need for bulky over-ear headphones, and built-in controls simplify volume and playback adjustments. Ideal for travel, workouts, or commuting, these headphones provide immersive audio without cluttering your luggage. For stylish, functional listening on the go, grab the wireless headband headphones on Amazon today. Number 15. Travel Neck Pillow. The Travel Neck Pillow offers ergonomic support for long journeys, ensuring proper alignment for your neck and shoulders. Memory foam or inflatable options provide customizable comfort, while compact designs fit easily into carry-ons or backpacks. Perfect for flights, trains, or car trips, it helps reduce stiffness and fatigue. Lightweight and portable, this pillow is ideal for frequent travelers seeking rest without sacrificing convenience. Elevate travel comfort with the Travel Neck Pillow, available on Amazon. Number 16. Engage 2 Plus earplugs. The Engage 2 Plus earplugs provide high-quality noise reduction for travel or sleep, ensuring a restful journey. Ergonomically designed for comfort, they fit securely without irritation and block disruptive sounds effectively. Reusable, durable materials make them perfect for repeated use, saving money compared to disposable alternatives. Ideal for flights, buses, or busy environments, these earplugs help travelers sleep, focus, or relax anywhere. Check out Engage 2 Plus earplugs on Amazon for ultimate noise-blocking convenience. Number 17. Travel Book Guide. A travel book guide offers curated insights, maps, and tips to enhance your trips. Compact and portable, it fits neatly in backpacks or carry-ons, providing quick access to sightseeing, dining, and local attractions. Perfect for solo travelers, families, or first-time visitors, it helps plan itineraries efficiently and ensures smoother, more enjoyable journeys. Lightweight, yet informative, it's a must-have companion for anyone exploring new destinations. Discover helpful travel advice with a travel book guide, available on Amazon. Number 18. Inflatable Footrest Pillow. The inflatable footrest pillow improves comfort during flights, car rides, or train journeys. Lightweight and portable, it inflates quickly, offering support to reduce fatigue and improve circulation. When not in use, it deflates for compact storage in carry-ons or backpacks. Ideal for long-haul travelers or anyone seeking ergonomic comfort on the go, it helps make trips more restful and enjoyable. Grab the inflatable footrest pillow on Amazon to upgrade travel comfort efficiently. Number 19. Canvas Makeup Bags. 40-pack canvas makeup bags. 40-pack is perfect for organizing toiletries, cosmetics, or small travel essentials. Durable, lightweight, and reusable, each bag fits neatly into luggage, reducing clutter. Multiple sizes and a stackable design allow customized organization for various items, keeping everything visible and accessible. Ideal for travel, gift sets, or family trips. These bags save space while protecting contents. Organize efficiently with the canvas makeup bags. 40-pack, available on Amazon today. Number 20. Travel Bottles. 4-pack travel bottles. 4-pack simplifies carrying liquids, lotions, or shampoos in carry-ons. Leak-proof, TSA-approved bottles fit conveniently in toiletry bags, ensuring safe, organized storage. Durable, reusable design saves money compared to disposable bottles, while compact sizes make packing easy. Perfect for flights, road trips, or weekend getaways, they prevent spills and keep luggage tidy. Streamline your travel essentials with the Travel Bottles 4-pack, available on Amazon. And there you have it, 20 smart travel gadgets on Amazon that make life easier. Upgrade your trips, save time, and travel stress-free with these amazing finds. Don't wait. Make your next journey effortless and enjoyable.